Science communication is critical in the depiction of municipal services, which encompass the most essential components of the city. The success of these services is important for the safety and well being of all the residents. Though, when it comes to interpreting this data, it can be complex, containing very large numbers, budgets, and targets. Even now, there is a disparity between current information in statistical reports and the level of comprehension in the public.
This is especially true for a municipal service such as emergency medical services. This is a service that impacts a large number of lives, ensuring that the residents of Hamilton are healthy, safe, and secure. Thus, it's important that the residents are well aware of this service and all the data pertaining to it. Our goal was to create a user-friendly performance report for Hamilton's emergency medical services, a vital municipal service with data that has failed to successfully reach the audience.
The real challenge came with identifying what the audience already knows about emergency medical services and what more information they should know. Additionally, we needed to present the data of Hamilton's emergency medical services in an unbiased manner in order for our audience to achieve a true depiction of the emergency medical service performance. Lastly, we needed to assess what information and data the municipal planners already know about the complex field of emergency medical services and what new information can be introduced to improve overall data representation.
Many consumers are concerned about their taxes and how their money is being used in municipal services. Realizing that taxes play a huge part of a consumer's life, we decided to include the following information about Hamilton's emergency medical services. The total number of emergency calls, total responses, and top 5 reasons why people call Hamilton's emergency medical services with 2018 data. The association between the number of emergency medical services calls and the budget also compared to a city of a similar size, such as Waterloo. We also reported the percent of time Hamilton's emergency medical services arrived within target response time to highlight that although Hamilton has over 26,000 more emergency medical services calls than Waterloo, we still have a higher response rate of nearly 10%, indicating that the consumer's money is being put to good use. For municipal planners, we attempted to determine a relationship between CTAS1 events that meet target response time and capital budget. Once again, we compared Hamilton with a city of similar size such as Waterloo and found that although Hamilton is investing more in emergency medical services, our response rate is 7% higher than our target and higher than other cities. Because Code Zero events exist in Hamilton, we used that data in a graph that showed the number of Code Zero events from 2016 to 2018 to determine if there was a progression. In addition, we hypothesized based on the data that hospital turnaround delays may contribute to the number of Code Zero events, as these delays may result in the lack of paramedic services. We found that there was a positive correlation between the two and that a change in hospital turnaround delays as little as 1% can make a huge difference in Hamilton's number of Code Zero events.
The next step was to determine whether there was a causal relationship between hospital turnaround delay and Code Zero cases. This is vital as it can be a pivoting point of improvement in EMS efficiency and success. Since the EMS helps many with trauma, mental health issues, musculoskeletal problems, abdominal and rectal pain, weakness, and more, even a small change in efficiency can greatly impact the survival and safety of many lives. Additionally, an in-depth analysis of spending for CTAS1 event responses could be extremely helpful in determining how to optimize expenditure in order to increase response rates.